Welcome! If you're looking to keep your Facebook followers private, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you, step by step, how to hide your followers on the Facebook app when using your PC, all based on the latest update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Next, look at the top right corner of your Facebook homepage. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on your profile photo to open your account menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will expand to show more options. Click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can control your privacy and account details. Now, scroll down until you find the section called Followers and Public Content. Click on it to open more options related to your followers and who can see them. Here's the important part. Look for the option that says Who can see your followers on your timeline. Click on this setting. You'll see a list of privacy options, such as Public, Friends, and Only Me. To make sure that only you can see your followers, select Only Me. This setting ensures that no one else can view your followers list on your timeline. Once you've made your selection, click Done to save your changes. And that's it. Your followers are now hidden from everyone except you. This is a great way to keep your social media activity private and maintain control over who can see your connections. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.